Hello, I'm Mark Lowdy with CFD Trading Insights. Our guest again today, Alex Douglas from City Index. Alex, tell us a little bit more about the products that traders can access through your platform.
Probably the easiest way to do that is to actually have a look at the platform itself and have a run through looking at different securities and seeing how you find all the different markets you can trade. First thing, of course, is to go to our website. The Singapore website is www.cityindexasia.com.sg. Now, you don't need to download any software wherever you happen to be in the world with internet access. You can access this trading platform. So the next thing to appear is the login page, and we simply go to the account number section, enter your account details and then the password. Once those are entered, click on the login button, and this will take us through to the internet trading platform. So when we arrive at the trading platform, you can see that the page is broken down into a number of different sections. In a nutshell, it's broken into 4 major quadrants. In the upper left quadrant here, we have the live market prices, which we'll look at in more detail in just a moment. Down the lower left section of the page, we've got a whole lot of information about your account. We've got an account summary, an open positions tab, active orders tab, an order history tab, and an account history tab. In the lower right section, we've got a tab for news. This is a news feed that comes from Dow Jones Newswires, as used by institutional investors around the world. And we have another tab here with messages from City Index. This section up in the right-hand corner, the top right-hand corner, this is where you actually do your trading. We will talk about this in another segment. Now, coming back to our live prices, if we want to have a look at that selection of markets that are available to trade, we can click on this little yellow icon here, which shows all the different markets available on this platform. So in terms of indices, we can trade indices throughout Asia, the UK, Europe and the US. Shares, we can trade CFDs over stocks throughout Asia, so Hong Kong, Indonesia, Japan, Malaysia, Singapore, Taiwan, Australian stocks, UK stocks, the whole selection of countries in Europe, and of course we can trade CFDs over US stocks as well. And we've also got currencies here and sectors in the UK market. If you wish to select any of these, it's simply a matter of going down through the menu. So let's suppose we're looking for Singapore Airlines. We'd come down to shares, we go to Asia, we come down to the Singapore section, and then it's alphabetically listed. So we find P to T, we come down to S, click on S, and as you can see, the live prices all change to Singaporean stocks, and it's simply then a matter of finding the stock that you're interested in, Singapore Airlines, and highlighting that. The prices that you see here are the live market prices when the market is open. Another way to find securities that you may wish to trade is to use the search box up here at the right-hand side. There are 2 different options here. There's a little drop-down menu next to the search box. One of the options is market, the other one is RIC code. If you know the code for the stock or the security that you wish to trade, you can change this to RIC code. So for example, if we type in SIA for Singapore Airlines and change this so it says RIC, click on the Go button. This will return a list of all the stocks that share the code SIA. And as we can see here, we've got Singapore Airlines. Another way to do it, suppose you were interested in looking up a stock like, let's say, Keppel. If we change this from RIC, change it to market, click on Go, it will now bring up a list of all the stocks that have Keppel in the name. So we've got Keppel Corp, Keppel Land, Keppel Telecom and Transport. So another way of searching through these markets for different securities that you may wish to trade. In addition to seeing the live prices for all of the securities that we offer in the top left section of the screen, we can also access live market charts. To do that, we simply go down to the security that we're interested in, slide across to the right-hand side here, find the icon that looks a little bit like a chart. When you click on that, a new window will appear with live charts. So if we do that, so then this window appears with a chart. This is a live chart of the S&P 500 in this instance. By default, this one has opened up as a 5-minute chart. We can vary that all the way down to tick-by-tick charts if we wish, or we can have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, a whole range of different time periods here through to daily and even weekly charts. We can put all sorts of indicators on this chart if we wish. We can see this as a candlestick chart. We can change the style if we wish. We can make it a bar chart or a line chart, all sorts of different things. We can add some moving averages. So if we add a 20-period moving average here, and let's say some Bollinger Bands, you can see those appear immediately on the chart. So this charting package has a full suite of technical analysis tools. It comes along with your internet trading platform. There's absolutely no additional charge for this facility, and it is a great tool for helping you make your trade selections.
Thank you very much, Alex Douglas. And you can interact with us through this website. Click Apply for a demo account to try the City Index platform risk-free and discover the features of the live account. Or click here if you want to jump right in and apply for a live account straight away. To learn more about CFDs, download the 10 Golden Rules of CFD Trading by clicking here, or ask us any question you like about CFDs through this form.
Trading CFD and FX on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite carefully. The possibility exists that you could lose some or all of your investments. If in doubt, please seek independent advice. This program is prepared solely for information purposes only, without regard to any particular user's investment objectives, financial situation, or means. Past performance of the investments and any economic or market predictions, projections, or forecasts are not necessarily indicative of future or likely performance. No representation or warranty, expressed or implied, of any nature is made, nor is any responsibility of any kind accepted with respect to the completeness or accuracy of any information, projection, illustration, representation, or warranty expressed or implied in or omission from these clips.